Having a cell filled with pound signs often happens when working with spreadsheets, and it is an easy thing to fix, although you may have to fix it several times if the size of the data in your column keeps getting larger. All you need to do to fix this visual issue is make the column wider. A wider column will show the data in the cell. Let's take a look at how easy it is to fix this problem. In our spreadsheet, we will notice that several cells display hashtags instead of the data in the cell. If you move to the cell, you can see the data in the formula bar, but the cell still shows hashtags. Let's move to B2, but if you look at the formula bar, you still see the data. So in order to display the data, you will need to adjust the size of the cells. You can do this by moving to the right border of the column, and when your cursor changes to a cross, hold down your cursor button and drag the cursor to the right to make the cell bigger. You'll have to guess at the size or give it several tries until you get it right. So let's try that right now. Let's move right here. We'll hold down our mouse button, see the cross, and we'll just make it a little bigger. There you go. Now you can see the data. Now it's quite larger than it needs to be, but we can fix that. You can also make Excel do the job by highlighting one or more of the columns and then double clicking on the right border of any one of them, and Excel will auto fit the column size to the data. So let's go in and highlight all three columns, and then we're just going to pick D, and right here you see the cursor, we're going to double click. See how it made column C and D large enough to show the data, but it reduced the size of column B so it doesn't have any wasted space.